Okay kids, we have our second example. So we have 10 and 8 hundredths plus 3 and 45 hundredths. So ito ang ating addends or our given. Okay? Kapag addition ang tawag doon sa given natin ay addends. Okay? We will going to find the sum. So first thing is to add by place value. Coming from your right to your left. So 8 plus 5 is equals to 13. Since ang 13 po natin ay dalawang digits, so ang first digit na 3 ay ilalagay natin dito sa ilalim ng ating first digit addends. And then, ang pangalawa, which is 1, ilalagay natin dito sa taas para hindi nyo makalimutan. Okay, so 1 plus 0 is 1, 1 plus 4 is 5. Okay, and then, do not forget your decimal point. Proceed with our whole number. 0 plus 3 is equals to 3. And then, since walang value dito sa ilalim ng 1, just copy the number or the value. So, our answer, final answer is 13 and 53 hundredths. So, ang tawag dyan sa answer na yan ay sum. Okay.